Hello everyone! Welcome to another video about my favorite Roblox games. I'm playing Roblox since 2020 using my old phone, and currently right now in the video is actually gaming phone because the old phone is almost downgraded, so that causes lags or FPS drops compared to this phone or gaming phones like for gaming purposes. So right now, I will explain my favorite Roblox games based on the playing time or interests. It's actually not in ranks, but random, something like that, random picks. The first favorite Roblox game is actually MM2, which is Murder Mystery 2. I like the game because of the YouTubers and edits. And also, I have Discord server. Yeah. And then I have so many subscribers uh, that related to MM2. And their outfits is very nice. If you watch here, I really appreciate your MM2 content and keep your MM2 videos very engaging for the MM2 players. Next, and by the way, it's actually, I'm not I don't have like better weapon skins because you know some players are rich. Anyway, next is actually car dealership tycoon where you can sell your cars or buying some cars and you can race to your opponents like drag racing, circuit racing, um, seasonal race or selling your cars. Actually, car dealership tycoon is actually like more on about selling cars, buying cars, and race. And also you can modify your vehicles that you wanted to be like very cool look cars. And also I played that game for a long time since 2024 I guess because I have a lot of cars right now. And next is Grow a Garden. This is one of my favorite games before. Grow a Garden is actually like a tycoon, also tycoon when you can grow your plants or your plants using your water or sprinklers to get fruit larger. Depends on tiers like uh Grandmaster is a red one. It grows massive sizes and also you can sell them to the seller for a massive shekels. And then uh what is this? You can buy seeds from a shop to buy different rarities of your seeds like prismatic, basic, common, uncommon, rare, legendary, mythical, prismatic, and transcendent. And also you can trade your pets. Oh yeah, pets. You can doing some abilities depends on rarities, and also you can trade them to the other players. Next is Adopt Me. I really like the game Adopt Me because I played that game almost 3 years. But currently, I'm not. It's like sometimes I play that game. Depends on time that I have. Adopt Me is very like very nice game because you can grow up your pets using your stats or age up potion depending on the pets you have like legendaries. Legendaries like it takes so long and a lot of age up potions. I have a lot of subscribers about Adopt Me, which is like preppy. Preppy is like girly type um category of the player. Preppy, softy, something like that. Emo. Emo's like MM2, but most common in adapt is like preppy, softy, uh, something like that. And you can trade your pets, but be careful of some players scams, like doing scams. Yeah. And next is diesel and steel. Diesel and apostrophe steel. It's like it's like Filipino simulator game when you can drive called as jeepneys, and it's like they have jeepneys where you can drive to your destination, passengers, and they can pay the passengers pay their fares depends on the distance or destination. Lastly, not lastly. Next is weapon fighting simulator. Weapon fighting simulator is like almost like Pet Simulator X or Pet Simulator 99. When your pets is actually a swords, depends on rarities. When you can fight the mobs, yeah, the mobs differ in different worlds. The higher the worlds, the much better damage you have because the rarities it has different damage per second. So the low is like very minimal damage compared to highest like I think is Celestial. I guess that I forgot that because I cannot play the game since they have lower players. Such a much better damage, and also you can trade them for like depends on the requests of the player, like pets. I don't know, and also I forgot some games, but those games I cannot play anymore because it's kind of boring to me and it's low. It's like the active players is too low, so I can't access them anymore. And that's it on my favorite games of Roblox. But it is actually not it is not the all of them because some of the games I forgot what it is. So I will update those favorite games part 2 if you want to watch again. And that's it on my video, guys. If you like of this video, especially to my edit, and thank you so much for reaching more than 500 views on Nervy Dance craze on edits. It's like, oh my gosh, like I appreciate those edits Nervy Dance trend on Roblox. I'm so appreciate. Also, I really thanks for the more than 500 views because it's like very quick. I'm checking that and oh my god, I like more than right now it's like 700 views. Currently 700 views. So thank you for the watching that edit. I'm like this is my first time doing nervy dance edits compared to others like FM2. I don't know. And that's it on my video, guys. If you like on this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel, Astakar Roblox Official, and leave a like and comment down below of different videos if you like. And thank you so much for watching. See you on my next video.